got up this morning at 3:30 a.m. and got picked up at 4 a.m. to begin our journey to Rainbow Mountain. We are now sitting at 14,200 feet. We are getting breakfast made by our chefs on this trip, and just ran into a whole bunch of alpacas, so took some photos, took some video, and then we still, I think, have another 30 to 45 minutes until we get higher up and can begin the trek. But it is mighty cold, and again, starting to feel that oxygen deplete from the system. So, real fun. Just got to the trailhead and starting our ascent. Maria and I have decided to take the horses. I know it's not the same taking a horse close to the summit and cheating, more or less, but Maria and I were both feeling the effects of altitude at over 15,000 plus feet in elevation. The top of this mountain is at 17,000 feet, and we wanted to conserve our energy for the last 10 minutes. And after just completing the Inca Trail yesterday, we were both feeling those effects on our sore muscles. So that is why we took these horses. Beautiful views. Just got dropped off by the horse. Still a little bit of ways to go to the summit. And met up with Maria. There was a little issue with Google Translate and trying to figure out souls and how much to pay for the horses. So hopefully we get that sorted out when our guide comes, but gonna start making our way up to the summit. Brutal, grueling. Trying to climb to 17,000 feet is no joke. No joke at all.
No, so strong. I feel like
We're at almost 17,000 feet. Got a little bit more climbing to go. One more like staircase. I think we got this. We made it. 17,000 feet. We have made it.
My body is shaking. I'm sorry.
This is no joke. You can finally see the triangulation of the colors. It's beautiful. We're gonna get a good photo up
Rainbow
here.
Mountain over here and snow-capped mountains over here. It's gorgeous.
Truly breathtaking. I mean, it literally takes your breath away. Literally. So
Since I can't breathe right now.
Maria swears that she'll let me pick the next vacation too. So
Yeah, I'm good. I'll let him pick a destination. I know that the last few have been
quite adventurous. Take a look at these views though. Made it to the top of Rainbow Mountain, 17,000 feet. Absolutely incredible, breathtaking views. You can go actually a little bit higher, but oxygen's depleted. We're tired. We're not going to do that. Got our pictures with some alpacas over here and got our passport stamped. Now it's time to head back down to the van and get back to lunch. This morning when we got here, it was actually a little bit cloudy and a little overcast. Today it is now super sunny, beautiful day. We were able to get some nice, beautiful colors from Rainbow Mountain. So really looking forward to resting now and recharging. just getting in some last minute shopping before we head to the airport to fly back to Lima. Tomorrow we'll be doing a tour all day with Peru hop, and we'll be heading to Paracas and Huacachina. So today is pretty much just a relaxing recharge day. Babe, how's Cusco?
It was amazing. I don't want to leave. I love it here.
Welcome to your destination.
Just checked into our Airbnb in Lima. We are now trying to figure out the laundry here. Maria is using Google Translate, but hopefully we can figure that out, get some sleep, and then tomorrow morning, like I said, we'll be doing Peru hop, going to Paracas and Huacachina all day. I think our pickup time is 6 a.m. and our drop-off time is 11:45 p.m. So it'll be a fun adventure.
La obra como una figura that is in this really big sand dune right there.
Just got off the bus from Peru hop, and now we are heading into Paracas and checking out the islands, also known as the poor man's Galapagos. We are taking a modified tour because of the weather. It is slightly misting and raining here. Hoping the weather clears up in time for Huacachina later on this afternoon. Just getting in line for the boat here.
Pointless to do my hair this morning at 4 a.m.
Here we go.
Allá están los barcos que pescan el calabar gigante, o como le llamamos acá, la pota. Meters, the white and the tape is between 30 and 40 centimeters. White and this.
Very wet. Very, very wet, but pretty enjoyable. Just finished up lunch with some amazing views and drinks. Now we are checking out the city for a little bit before hopping back on the bus to head to Huacachina. Just got into Huacachina. Maria, what are we about to do?
We're gonna walk around the lagoon.
And then we're gonna go ahead and hop on some dune buggies and then go sandboarding. So should be a blast. What are we about to do?
I think this is more intense than the one we did in Dubai. At least that was in a car. This is a dune buggy. It's open.
Yeah, I think this is going to be way more intense. Hang on for dear life. Just got off the most wild and intense dune buggy ride I've ever been on. Actually, quite intense. More like a roller coaster and quite insane.
Scared of heights here, so.
I think you
And it's
use
a-
your feet to slow you down.
Oh yeah, I might have to. Oh wow.
Maria's about to go down.
Yeah, look, I got a face plant.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah.
Drag your feet.
Up.
Drag your feet, drag your feet, drag your feet.
Where does my knee?
What'd you think, babe?
Oh yeah, it was great. It was so much fun. We're gonna go to the next dune right here.
Just because of the way you hold the board, I wasn't able to attach the GoPro to anything, but hopefully I can try to figure out something for the next round. About to go down there. Ready? Holy shit! Holy shit! Here comes Maria.
Madison, I've got my shoe.
Just got back to the Airbnb from our tour today with Peru Hop. The morning started off with clouds, rain, and some mist in Paracas, and thankfully when we got to Huacachina, it was beautiful, sunny, and warm outside. Got some dinner and then boarded the bus right back to Lima. Tonight we're gonna go ahead and get some rest, and then tomorrow we'll check out a little bit of Lima downtown and then head over to the airport to begin our next leg of the adventure in Panama.